Here are the steps to fix and activate the iPhone mirroring option under the General settings. Ensure that your iPhone and Mac models are supported by iPhone mirroring. Check the video description for the supported devices list. The next step is to have your Mac and iPhone signed in with the same Apple ID. Then, you have to follow the guide given in this tutorial. This is my iPhone 15 Pro, which has been updated to the latest iOS version. Going back and checking under the General settings. The AirPlay and Continuity option is not showing iPhone mirroring. Now, go to your Mac and open iPhone mirroring on your Mac. Using Spotlight search by press Command and space. Type iPhone mirroring. The process is the same: MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and Mac computer. Once you open it, the setup window appears on the screen. Click on the Continue option. Now, on your iPhone, enter your lock screen passcode to verify and unlock. Select the option to allow iPhone notifications on Mac. Now, the window says, iPhone mirroring is ready to use. Click on Get Started. Authorize with your Mac login password or Touch ID to start iPhone mirroring on Mac. Screen mirroring will not start on the Mac if your iPhone is in use. Press the side lock button to lock the iPhone, then start using iPhone mirroring on Mac. After connecting, as you can see on my iPhone screen, under the Settings and General. Click on AirPlay and Continuity. iPhone mirroring option is showing. That's it. During the setup, if you are getting an error, unable to connect iPhone or more, then check the video description and the pinned comment. Post your questions in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new video updates.